Hello, today I am unboxing the Canon Canoscan 400 photo scanner. While I am showing you the unboxing, I am also going to explain my reasons for purchasing this scanner. Like many of you, my family have many photos stored in shoeboxes all around our home. We have decided that we will take those photos, sort them, and scan them so that we can add them to our other digital photo collection. After some research and reading reviews, I chose the Canon Canoscan 400. There was 4 reasons for my choice of this scanner. The first was the Canon defines the Canoscan 400 as a photo scanner. It was designed with the primary purpose of scanning photos. Along with this scanner, software is included. This software performs the scans and provides some photo restoration. The second reason was the high resolution of this scanner. The Canoscan 400 has a resolution of 4,800 dots per inch by 4,800 dots per inch. This provides higher resolution if needed for capturing the best scan and enlarging photos later. My third reason was that the Canoscan 400 enables the scanning of several photos on the scanner bed at one time. The software will then separate and save each of the photos individually. This ability enables the scanning of more photos per scan, thus saving time. My last reason for purchasing this Canoscan 400 was that it was compact and inexpensive. I was able to purchase this scanner on Amazon for less than $100. I hope this unboxing video and my reasons will help you in making your choice if you are in the market for a good photo scanner in the future. If you found my unboxing of the Canoscan 400 and my reasons for purchasing this scanner helpful, please hit the like button while you are viewing the remainder of this video. Also, if you would like to be part of my family's adventures and see our latest content, please hit subscribe. We would love to have you part of our YouTube family. Thanks for watching.